began was, I think, December 27th, 2017. We were at Madison Square Garden at a Phish show. My twin brother, turns to my best friend since we were 5, turns around and says, "I think we need to start a business in the music industry." And we're like, "Oh yeah, okay." That was December. In February we had the LLC formed. In May 2018 we got the keys with the intent of just building rehearsal rooms, and we did that. We have 11 of these. And after we did that, we were like, shit, that cost a lot of money. This building costs a lot of money. What do we do? So that was the crux of it. And then like 1,200, liquor license, 1,200 shows later. But we had 65 shows on our shitty but magical stage out here, where we were like the bartenders. COVID hit. 115 shows out in our parking lot, which was actually a blast. They would get over at 10, and then all the crew would just come in here and jam till 1 in the morning. It was like kind of the heyday for the crew here. But it also allowed us to have shows out in our parking lot and build our new venue out, where in the meantime, we didn't have any money, so we brought in a new partner who's been great, who owned Harper's Ferry for 20 years, was the owner and operator, which is a legendary Boston club. And then he owned another club called Thunder Road in Somerville, Mass, Boston, basically. During COVID, he shut down. We took the entire club in Boston, moved it into here, and every piece of bar equipment, table, chair, everything you see is from there. So it's kind of like a Boston club transported. And now we're partnered. It's been a few years, but we're partnered up with Charlie Abel now, and he's great. And provides some great stories and experience to help figure out this tricky business. But that's the quick and dirty, and it's been a hell of a journey.